Guys, welcome back. Today I'm very excited because I finally got them calipers back from my friend. So I got them right here. They already powder coat them, and this is what they look like. I think they look amazing. It's like a green, like a lime green, and I think with my car it's gonna be the perfect combo. But for today, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna rebuild these calipers, and I'm gonna show you step by step on how to do that. Also, if you go down into the description, I'm gonna put down the rebuild kit that I use. However, there is plenty different rebuild kit brands out there, so you can pick whichever one you like, but I'm gonna put down in the description just in case you need it. I'm excited, so let's get our hands dirty. Let's get it. So here are the Z32 or 300CX calipers. I gave it to my friend to get them powder coated. The color is like lime green, and the only thing that I don't really like is that they no longer have the Nissan engraved in the front part of the caliper, and that is because when I got them from my friend, one of them was a pre-manufactured rear caliper, so normally they take the engraving off. So I took the other one off by grinding the engraving part that say Nissan, because if not, one of them will say Nissan and the other one don't. So I didn't like that. But what I think I'm going to do is maybe make a Nissan sticker for it and just put it on, see how it looks. I think it will look good, but we'll see. The first thing you will want to do is to take these metal retainers out. So once you take out 4 of them, what you could do is to apply air right here. Put like a piece of wooden block in here or anything that you can put in between the pistons. That way when you apply air, these pistons will come out. And don't let them come out completely, just enough where you can get them out, and then just put another piece of wood on these ones and do the same for this side, so you can get all the pistons out. They're gonna pop out with air. First thing we're gonna do is take them apart so we can change some little seals that are in between them, and all you gotta do is take these 4 bolts out. They're 14mm, so let's do that. Now once you get them out, then you can split them in half, and let me see if I can focus. This right here is the seals, the little seals that I was talking about. That's what we're gonna put on. I didn't have to remove it because I already removed everything from this caliper, so I could give it to my friend and he could powder coat them. So now let's just put them seals in there. Before you put the seals, I would recommend you to use brake fluid to lubricate them. I will also recommend you to use gloves for these, but unfortunately I couldn't find gloves. Everybody's like sold out. So you can see this groove in here, that's where the inner seal is going. So we're gonna go ahead and put the inner seals now. Once you put them seals, you can grab your pistons, load them a little bit with brake fluid, and all you're gonna do is push them in. Pistons are in, so now all we gotta do is put the dust boots. You see a little groove in there. That's where the dust boot is gonna go to. So this part go down. That's what it looks like. So once the boot is in place, you can use a screwdriver. Be careful when you do this, but you can use a screwdriver to help it push it in the groove. You don't want to use a lot of force because you will break the seal. Guys, this is what it will look like when it's sitting in place after you put them on. It's gonna be flush. After we repeat the process with all the boots and we put them in place, make sure they're all in the groove where they go, then we're gonna put this metal retainer. And this is very tricky, so normally what I do is I open it up and put it in place because they like overlap. So just open it up where they're like not overlap, and then start on one side and push around it. You can normally use your fingers or you could use a screwdriver. That's normally what I do. But this is very tricky, so let's see how it goes. Like I say, that got totally normal. That's how the retainers are made. So once we do that, we can go ahead and put both of them together. So a lot of people have different opinions on these of if to use red Loctite or blue Loctite. I'm gonna go ahead and put blue Loctite. And the reason is everything that I have seen that you put red Loctite normally doesn't want to come back out. So if you ever have to take these calipers back apart, you're either gonna strip the bolt or break them. So I'm just gonna use the blue one. Also, another thing, big discussion is gonna be the torque. I'm gonna tell you right now, what I have is a race car. So this is my torque right here, about 4 to 5 ugadugas. All right. So there you go. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. This is the final result of the calipers after putting the stickers on. I think it looks pretty damn good. But if you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you got any questions or comments, just let me know. And thanks for watching. See you on the next one.